Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best soldering insertion extraction tools that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the JR Ready ST5228 Extractor Tools Kit. The JR Ready ST5228 Extractor Tools Kit includes 5 different sizes of tube-type pin extractor tools, suitable for removing JST, AMP 0.062 inches, Molex 0.062, and 0.093 pin and socket connectors. Each size is applicable to specific male and/or female contacts from various connectors, including AMP Commercial Mate and Loc, Molex 8980 series, Molex 6.35 MLEX series, and JST-ML and EL 4.5 series pin and socket contact. This soldering insertion extraction tool set is a handy and necessary addition to any professional electrician or DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Moving on at number 4, we have the JR Ready ST5265 Molex Pin Extractor Tool. The JR Ready Pin Extractor Tool is a must-have tool for anyone working with Molex 0.062 and 0.093 inches pin and socket connectors. With 2 kits that come in different sizes, this tool offers wide compatibility for various connectors. The internally chamfered needle head design ensures smooth and seamless insertion into terminal holes, guaranteeing reliable connections. The push rod mechanism makes it effortless to remove terminals, saving you time and effort. The stylish and ergonomic design with a captivating camouflage blue color hexagonal handle adds flair to your projects. Make sure to get the correct size for your connector to avoid damaging it. The JR Ready Pin Extractor Tool is perfect for professionals and DIYers alike, providing a premium and effortless experience. At number 3, we have the Powerworks RT1 Powerpole Tool. The Powerworks RT1 Powerpole Tool is a must-have for anyone working with Anderson 15, 30, 45 amp Powerpole connectors. Its U-shaped tooltip is perfect for extracting inserted contacts from Powerpole housings, allowing you to reuse your housings. Additionally, the tool helps insert contacts into the housing by applying pressure directly on the contact, making the process much easier and more convenient. At number 2, we have the YCS Basics 3-Pack D Sub-Pin Tools. This 3-pack of DB pin insertion and extraction tools is perfect for soldering tasks. The set includes insertion and extraction tools for D sub-pins, making it easy to work on your projects. With your cable store's 1-year limited warranty, you can trust that these tools are built to last. And finally at number 1, we have the Weller SM1 SolderMate Solder Dispenser 1LB Solder. This solder dispenser is made in the United States and is designed to make dispensing solder easy and convenient. With a compact size of 9.0 by 6.0 inches by 0.375 and a weight of only 1 pound, it is easy to handle and store. The dispenser is perfect for those who need to solder frequently, as it helps to prevent messy tangles and wasted solder.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.